This is Ali.
Ali is struggling to film a video.
Ali isn't quite sure where to start and exactly what to do.
I used to be like Ali.
I used to be like Ali too.
Last year, we taught ourselves how to make creative, cinematic and captivating content.
And you have to know, we'd never picked up a camera before this.
Over the last year, we've produced over 360 videos.
And we've even had one of our videos shortlisted
For the best recruitment marketing video of 2020,
by the Recruiter Awards.
the entire business landscape has changed, and now,
More than ever,
a basic understanding of creating content is a must in all of our lives.
that's why we've put together a masterclass in videography to give you all the tips
Tricks
and basics
you'll need to create and edit cinematic and captivating videos.
using only a smartphone
This 3-week workshop will give you the knowledge you need,
and practical hands-on experience in
understanding the foundations of videography,
understanding your smartphone camera,
sound and lighting,
camera moves and transition,
and
editing.
starting on November 30th, you'll have 2 sessions per week with a special session right at the end.
Places are limited, so sign up now using the link below.
And let us know if you have any questions.
We've made all the mistakes while learning how to film, so you don't have to.